Friends, ladies and gentlemen, this time we are going to take up the subject, niche in life. The principle here is right priorities means right emphasis. Right emphasis means metabolized doctrine. Niche is the English word. The Latin word is nidus, meaning nest. Now, niche is a condition of life or employment or a position or status suited for the capabilities and merits of the individual. This niche can only be found inside the protocol plan of God. Every person experiences the above. This experience is for both believers and unbelievers. Now, here are points or things that cause an individual to fail to find his niche. Number one is restlessness. Number two, uncertainty. Number three, lack of responsibility and command of self. Number four, lack of confidence. Number five, lack of understanding of the basic principles of the laws of divine establishment. Number six, failure to have absolute values of life. And number seven, wrong priorities leading to wrong emphasis. Now, let's put these things to practical tips in life. For example, you decide to get married without any job, no work. This is a wrong decision. As such, you will lead to looking for any kind of job which does not fit you. To find one's niche in life, the following ways should be followed. Number one, there must be a good scale of values. Number two, have an organized life. Number three, the drive and motivation to be willing to work hard and to sacrifice, but above all, the willingness to think. Number four, to have goals in life. Number five, you should have humility when you have achieved or reached your niche. Here is a principle. For believers with doctrine, it is their niche that will go looking for them, not they, believers, who will look for their niche. Another principle. In order to determine your own niche in life, you should know and do the will of God. How should we know and do the will of God? Answer: by fulfilling the plan of God inside the royal palace or divine dynasphere. As a believer, your niche in life is part of God's plan.